Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Mary and today I will show you how to create a dynamic to-do list in Excel with drop downs, color-coded status, and an automatic progress tracker. Whether you're a student, an employee, a freelancer, or just organizing your life, this will help you stay on track and get things done more efficiently. Download the practice file from the link in the description below. Let's get started. This is a dynamic to-do list. This includes list of tasks to be done, the deadline, the category, the priority, and also the status of each of the tasks. First thing I want to do is to add data validation in terms of drop down to the category, priority, and status. To do that, click on the column you want to add the data validation to. Here under data, at the right hand side you will see data tools. You see this sign here, click on the drop down and click on data validation. At this interface, change it to list because it is a list of options there. Then let's highlight every of the options that are noted in this column which are not started, in progress, and completed. Click on OK. Each of these have the drop down. We are also going to do the same for the priority and the category columns. So click on it, come here, click on the data validation, ensure it is a list. Here we have low, medium, and high. Ensure that they are separated with a comma, then press your OK. The same with this. In case you don't know the options present in your column, you can just filter it out to check it. By doing that, click on the column and come back here under home tab menu, click on sort and filter and click on the filter. This enables you to be able to view all the options included in the column. So we see fitness, personal, school, and work. Once you've notified that, you clear the filter by clicking on the filter button again, and you can see it is cleared. Add data validation to this. You highlight it and go to your data tab menu. You click on the data validation, click on list, and let's list it out. We have the fitness, school, personal, and work. Once you've done that, click on your OK. Now, anyone with the sheet can easily select each options without typing. Let's make the status column color coded so it is easy to read visually. Click on the column by highlighting it, then come back under your home tab menu, conditional formatting. We are using conditional formatting because we want to format each of our options using a color code. So click on the drop down and you can see highlight cell rules. It means that we want to highlight certain cells with a certain color code. So if it's different options you want here, you can see them here. So click on highlight cells rules and come under text that contains. These are text options and we want Excel to highlight some text that contains specific options for us. So click on it. The first to be not started, you can format the color here by clicking on this drop down. You can say custom format. Click on the color here, anyone you want. I think this is actually okay. You can see it here at the background. Click on your OK. So you do that again for in progress. Click on highlight cell rules. We want each status that are in progress to be formatted in a yellow color. To do that, click on this drop down and you can see yellow view. So here you can see it's rightly done here. Click on your OK. And the last option we have is completed. We want the completed taxes to be formatted in green. So you do the same in green. Now they are properly formatted. Please don't forget to subscribe if you've not. Now we will build a chart to see how many tasks are done, in progress, or not started. We'll be creating a pivot table in order to generate our pivot chart. Click on one of the cells here and go under your insert tab menu. Click on pivot table. Three of your data here is highlighted. Click on OK. We want it to be in a new worksheet, so click on OK. So here is our pivot table to visualize the number of tasks that have been completed, the ones in progress, and the ones that have not started at all. So to do that, drag the status column under the rows and the tax ID under the values. We want to get a count of each of the tax ID. So you can see it visualized here. To take it a bit further, let's add a chart. Here towards the right hand side of the ribbon, you can see pivot chart. Click on it and it's a pie chart to visualize this. Since this is a proportion of 3 options, it's either we use this or we use a donut chart. Let's use a donut chart. Click on it. Okay. Now rename this as tax progress summary. can remove these ones because they are actually not needed. So to remove this, right click on it and move to hide value field buttons. If you want to hide this also, that's when you click on the hide all field buttons, but right now just click on hide value field buttons on chart. To enhance our visualization, let's format the colors of this donut chart to match the conditional formatting that we created earlier. So we remember the completed is supposed to be represented in green, so let's represent this as green. To do that, double click on the specific slice you want to change the color, which is completed right now. Want to change it to green, and come here, you can see under the format data points, come here under this fill, click on the fill, and you can see the color right here. Click on the drop down and you can change it to green. In progress is to be represented as yellow. Double click on it and change it to yellow. This is quite bright. Let's make it a dim one. The not started is represented in red. Click on red. This is quite bright. Let it a deepen color. Then close this. Amazing, guys. Let's calculate the percentage of tasks completed. Now, to calculate the number of tasks that have been completed, come here, just a cell underneath here and press your equal, or let's use by the side. To do this, we'll be using the count function. Press your equal to. We'll firstly be using the count if for the condition, which is tasks that have been completed, open brackets. The range will be our status column, which is from the F2 to the last tags here in this data file. So you click on it and press your Ctrl Shift down. You can see the formula we are creating here in the formula bar. So press your comma. Under the formula, you can see the next one to input is the criteria. So our criteria is completed. Since we want to get the percentage of completed taxes, once this is done, press your division sign, and now we are using the count a function, open brackets. The values are also the range of the status. Once you've done that, close the bracket and you press your enter. When writing the formula, ensure that every of your parentheses are closed, meaning that every of your brackets are closed. You can see here that under the count if, I skipped closing this function bracket. So let's close it, close bracket. And once you've done that, just press your enter. Just format it to rest of what you want. Let's also format this as a percentage with decimal numbers. To do that, right click on it, and you can see format cells, click on it. Then under the category, you can see percentage, click on the percentage, yes, with decimal numbers, then click on OK. You can see, so 30% of the taxes have been completed, just as you can see here. If you want to remove the decimal, the same way you did it, you format the cells. Under this decimal, you can just reduce the decimal places to 0. You can see the preview here. Then click on your OK. Here you have it. To show a live progress bar, let's add a conditional formatting to the percentage of the completed tasks. To do that, select the cell and come here under conditional formatting. You can see data bars here. Click on it, and under the gradient field, you can select whichever color you want. Since it is completed tasks and it is represented in green, so let's click on green. Yes. So right now we can see a live progress bar of the completed tasks. This is really amazing. This shows a live progress meter of your task completion. Let's add some touches to make your list user friendly. I would want us to put all of this into the to-do list. So click on it and copy, or you can also cut using a Control key and your X button. Come here under to-do list, then you can paste it here. Close this if you don't have any adjustment to make. Close it. Then also do the same for the progress bar. Copy it, paste it here. Great, so you can expand this. Well done, guys, and that's how you build a super useful interactive to-do list in Excel. You've learned how to build your own task tracker, add drop downs, apply color coding, calculate task progress, and more. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a thumbs up, drop your questions in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe because I'll be bringing more of these Excel projects up on my channel. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one. Bye.